Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and we have a new machine. Is VM, sorry, is a SickOs, and exploit this machine with using Kali Linux. This machine is running on the virtual box. You can see here. Here is a Oracle virtual box, and go to our Kali Linux, and here is a notepad, which is not all the process of our walkthrough, which is noted here. Here is our IP vulnerable IP address is 105 and Kali Linux IP address is 103. So next we have a nmap scan, which is used to scanning the network. We type the SC and PN, and here is our 105 vulnerable machine IP address. So here is the Debian Ubuntu machine, and here is the 22 port is open, which is we not in our notepad. 3128 port is open, and next we have a port 880 is open here. Okay, so these three ports are is open. So what we next to do, we go to the browser and typing the ports, which is a 3128. Copy this first, go to here, which is here, typing the close this first, typing the port, which is okay, sorry, which is 3128. Hit enter. So here is the error. The request URL will not be retrieved, invalid URL. So we go to the proxy folder, which is a Firefox proxy folder, which is setting the proxies here. Here is the manual proxy configurations, which is 192.168.0.105, which is our IP address, vulnerable IP address, which 31. Okay, first delete all 3128 and set this on the proxy, manual proxy, and go to here and refresh this page again, which is not set. Okay, go to proxy here, which is HTTP proxy here. Okay, so okay, and go to the URL, cancel this portion, and sorry, 105 is our IP address, original IP address 105. Don't use this, and here blank. Here is the running this port. Go to the view source page here, and there is nothing here. We trying to finding some directories like robot.txt. Yeah, we have the robots.txt, and this directory is some. Okay, we have the directories, which is go to these directories here, and here is the CMS more. I just demonstration. Okay, about us, CMS articles here. This is the home page. This is the second article. Okay, so we finding some logins. My second article is here, December. Okay. My first article is here. Okay. Achieves administration, posted by administration. So we trying to access the admin panel, which we, okay, here is some files which is download. So open these files. Here is the webwolf RSS, and here is, you can see the directories here. Using the question marks, which is useful for finding our admin page. Okay, go to here again, and my first article is here. We're trying to the here admin. Okay, we're trying to directory booster here. So copy this and go to the terminal. Linux, clear this directory booster here, which here we have the hit enter. Okay, so here is some HTTP host. Okay, sorry. Not found. God, calculating this directories, trying to word list on this website. We're trying to your name, page not found again. wolfcms.org, page not found again. About us, go to about us. There is nothing here. Get the more about. There is nothing here. And so we're trying to manually create the some links, question mark / admin, trying to log in and hit enter. Wow, we try this and we have the login wolf cms. Okay, so I type only admin tab, admin. Okay, we trying first admin password, and not now. This is not the, we're trying to admin tab, admin, not now. This is a redirect. Promptly try again. Okay, so there is some this is not redirecting properly here, so we're trying again this admin login here. Okay, we have the login page here, and here is the modify page is here, there is a go to snippets, headers, layouts, and files. Here is the files. We upload the file here. Okay, there is a vulnerabilities which we upload our shell.php, and we have a reverse shell.php, and get this file. Okay, opening with pluma rev.php. We are using the rev.php for the reverse shell. We edit this here. 192.168.0.103 is our Kali Linux IP address. Okay, you can see over here 103 is our Kali Linux IP address. Copy this, close this, save it for us, and go to here and upload this file. Okay, browse the this file is in my home directory, which is open here and upload, and you have it. Uploading this file is uploaded. Okay, so here is the file which is uploaded. Copy this first, copy link. Okay, and we create the netcat netcat receiver, and dev.php cell is a save. We trying to see this file is 103. Okay, all is ready, and netcat command is running for a listening, and go to here and go to the public section where wolf, and hit enter. Is the public section which is and here is our file. Okay, rev.php, which we can, wow, we get the shell. Okay, we have the shell, and we're trying to first python 3 -c import spawn. Okay, okay, /bin /bash here, and okay, okay, bash not found. Okay, so we're trying to ls command here and go to the cd/home here. Ls, here is a stick os is here. So we finding some config file which is cd/var /www. Go to this directory ls here. There is a 3 files which is cat, okay, cd wolf cms ls command ls cd ls here. Here is plugins frameworks.php is here. So we go to the cd first, ls here, and we have the config.php is here. So we're trying to get the config.php here, and finding here some clues which we can Okay, so here is the root John123 and DB password, which is the DB name is Wolf, and we for our Wolf, and password is John@123. Okay, we remember this all, and we're trying to first here Python -c import dy dot spawn. Okay, we have it, and we sudo SickOs, and password is over here. We have the password here. Okay, copy this here, paste it over here, hit enter. We have the SickOs. We are in the SickOs. So we're trying to mi, and here is the SickOs. Okay, so we go to the cd root directory here, cannot permission denied, which is sudo su, and password is John123 here, and we are rooted cd/root, ls. We have the txt file is here, which is we can copy here, copy this, and that, paste it over here, and here. If you are viewing this route, you have successfully converted the SickOs 1. Thanks for watching this video, and you like this walkthrough, so you can share, like, share, and subscribe this video and my channel. So thanks for watching this video. Happy hacking.